Are you waking up every day feeling more drained than the last? Noticing a decline in your drive, your focus, or even your strength? If you're over 30 and these symptoms sound familiar, there's a good chance your testosterone levels may be on the decline. But don't worry, this video is going to walk you through something powerful. Today on the Health and Wellness channel, we're sharing a natural, research-backed recipe that can help boost your testosterone levels, improve your energy, and bring back the vitality you had in your 20s. Let's break it down. Testosterone isn't just about muscle or sex drive. It's the cornerstone of male health. It supports everything from bone density and sperm production to your mood, mental sharpness, and stamina. But starting at age 30, your testosterone begins to decline by about 1% each year, and it adds up. By the time many men hit their 40s and 50s, that slow drop becomes noticeable. We're talking about low libido, fatigue that doesn't go away, trouble building muscle, weight gain, especially around the belly, mood swings, foggy thinking, even thinning hair and changes in your skin. If you're nodding along to any of those, you're definitely not alone. In fact, research shows that nearly 40% of men over 45 have clinically low testosterone. But here's the good news. You can help your body naturally raise testosterone levels with the right combination of ingredients. Today, we're making a powerful, homemade elixir, a natural testosterone tonic made from ingredients you can easily find at health food stores, Indian groceries, or online. And it works. Let's get into it with ingredient. Number 1, fenugreek seeds. This is one of the most effective natural testosterone boosters you can add to your diet. Fenugreek is rich in compounds that support free testosterone production. That's the form your body actually uses to build muscle, regulate mood, and boost performance. A 2017 study in the International Journal of Exercise Science showed that men who supplemented with fenugreek experienced increased testosterone, improved strength, and better endurance. So how does it work? Fenugreek helps block the enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen. That means more usable testosterone stays in your system. It's also loaded with saponins, which are compounds that stimulate the release of luteinizing hormone. This hormone tells your testes to make more testosterone. Beyond the hormonal support, fenugreek has also been shown to improve libido and support sexual performance, making it a great addition for anyone looking to reclaim their confidence. To prepare it, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds to your food processor or blender. Next up, ingredient number 2, ashwagandha powder. This ancient adaptogenic herb has become incredibly popular for a reason. It works. Ashwagandha is best known for lowering stress and cortisol levels, and that's a huge deal because cortisol, your stress hormone, competes with testosterone. The higher your stress, the lower your testosterone tends to be. In a 2019 study published in the American Journal of Men's Health, men who took ashwagandha saw their testosterone increase by up to 17% just by supplementing daily. Ashwagandha's benefits don't stop there. It also supports your adrenal function, improves recovery, and helps with sleep, all of which are essential for healthy testosterone levels. Use about 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder and add it to the fenugreek in your blender. Pulse the mixture until you get a fine, crumbly texture. Now let's bring some heat with ingredient number 3, Korean red ginseng. This root has long been used in traditional medicine to enhance male vitality, and modern science backs it up. A study in the Journal of Urology, 2002, found that men taking Korean red ginseng experienced notable improvements in both erectile function and testosterone levels. How does it help? Korean red ginseng increases nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow, a key part of both sexual performance and testosterone regulation. It also works as an adaptogen, helping your body handle stress more effectively and stay hormonally balanced. Recommended dosage is around 1 to 2 grams per day, which equals about 1 tablespoon of powdered Korean red ginseng for this recipe. Add it to the mixture in your food processor and give it another few pulses to make sure all the ingredients are well blended. At this stage, you've already got a powerful base of 3 testosterone-boosting ingredients, each one backed by science and easy to find. Keep watching, as in the next segment, we'll be adding L-arginine, Maca root, and cacao powder, and I'll walk you through exactly how to mix and use this tonic to get the best results. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the Health and Wellness channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next part of this series. We're committed to bringing you natural, research-based health tips to help you live better every day. Let's move on to ingredient number 4, L-arginine. L-arginine is a naturally occurring amino acid that plays a key role in improving blood circulation, enhancing erectile function, and supporting testosterone production. When you consume L-arginine, your body uses it to create nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels, improving the flow of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and reproductive organs. In a 2003 study published in the Journal of Sex and Marital Therapy, men who supplemented with L-arginine showed notable improvement in erectile function. Better circulation means better performance, improved muscle recovery, and yes, healthier testosterone levels. For best results, aim for a daily dose of 3 to 6 grams. To prepare it, simply add 1 tablespoon of L-arginine powder to the mixture you already have. Blended fenugreek, ashwagandha, and Korean red ginseng. Pulse it all together until you achieve an even blend. Before we move on, a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful so far, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the Health and Wellness channel. It helps more people like you discover helpful, natural solutions to boost their health and energy. Now back to it. Ingredient number 5, Maca root powder. Maca root is a Peruvian plant that's been used for centuries to improve energy, mood, and sexual function. What makes Maca so effective is its ability to balance the endocrine system, which regulates hormone production, including testosterone. In a 2009 study published in Andrologia, men who took Maca daily reported significant improvements in sexual desire and overall function. Maca helps regulate the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, which are key to producing testosterone. Thanks to its adaptogenic properties, Maca also reduces the impact of stress, another factor that can tank testosterone. For best results, use gelatinized Maca powder, which is easier to digest and more bioavailable. Add 1 teaspoon of Maca powder to your blend. Now that we've built up a strong base of testosterone-supporting ingredients, let's sweeten the mix a bit with ingredient number 6, raw cacao powder. Cacao isn't just for chocolate lovers. It's a serious superfood when it comes to men's health. One of its biggest benefits is its high magnesium content. Magnesium is crucial for testosterone production, and in fact, a 2011 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that men with higher magnesium levels also had higher testosterone. But that's not all. Cacao is also loaded with flavonols, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow, support cardiovascular health, and may even help lower blood pressure. This is important because good circulation is essential not only for performance, but also for delivering nutrients to support testosterone function. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder to your blend. Mix it thoroughly with the other ingredients to ensure every spoonful of this tonic delivers a full dose of testosterone-boosting benefits. Now, pulse your food processor a few more times to achieve a smooth, consistent texture. Once you've reached a uniform mix, transfer it to a bowl or a sealed container to store. How to use your homemade testosterone tonic. Every day, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this blend to your smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even just mix it with warm almond milk. It's simple, effective, and delicious. And remember, consistency is key. Taking this once won't create overnight results, but incorporating it into your daily routine can help your body naturally raise testosterone over time. Now let's cover a few lifestyle habits to take these results even further. 1. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Sleep deprivation significantly lowers testosterone levels. Your body produces most of its testosterone during sleep, so make rest a non-negotiable part of your wellness routine. 2. Train smart. Engage in strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to boost testosterone and build lean muscle. Avoid chronic cardio, which can spike cortisol and suppress testosterone over time. 3. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which can directly lower testosterone, Learning to manage stress keeps your hormones in balance. 4. Eat healthy fats. Include fats from olive oil, avocados, grass-fed meat, and eggs. These are essential building blocks for producing testosterone. Just steer clear of trans fats and limit polyunsaturated fats from processed foods. 5. Get enough vitamin D. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes in sunlight daily. If you can't, supplement with 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 per day. Vitamin D acts like a steroid hormone in the body and plays a direct role in testosterone production. 6. Limit alcohol. Stick to 1 or 2 drinks max per day. Excessive alcohol suppresses testosterone and can impair sexual function and liver health, which also plays a role in hormone regulation. By combining this powerful natural testosterone tonic with smart lifestyle habits, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming your energy, drive, and performance. Thanks for tuning into the Health and Wellness channel. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health solutions tailored to you. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next one.